SOLIDWORKS Composer 2019 expands its purpose-built authoring tools so that you can more efficiently create, update, and manage your technical publication projects. Selecting components of interest is easier than ever with the new Select Adjacent command. Not only can you repeat this command to compound its effect, you also get dynamic feedback on what you've selected. View management has also been upgraded. Views can now be locked to prevent them from changing accidentally. And a new indicator points out which views are custom, so you can better identify which views capture a user-defined selection of properties. Search now supports collaborative actors. For example, we can find a dimension and show it much faster than before. And with the addition of new properties, you can simplify their display. Another powerful authoring tool, arrows, now have a fixed size property, so that they will stay the same size on screen as well as when they're published in PDFs or printed materials. Animations with SOLIDWORKS Composer are quick and easy to create using the animation library, which contains commonly used highlight and assembly animation blocks. These blocks have been enhanced so that when a change is needed, you can modify and update their properties instead of recreating them. For example, you can change the highlight color to the new Undefined option and click Update. This enhancement greatly accelerates the process to create compelling product animations. The user interface has also been enhanced with additional integration with SOLIDWORKS PDM Professional. We can now check in, check out, change state, and much more, all without leaving SOLIDWORKS Composer. Opening and creating new projects is also more efficient. The Open dialog now recalls the last used file format and supports custom import profiles. And the Import PMI option now supports SOLIDWORKS MBD data to further leverage manufacturing information of your products. SOLIDWORKS assembly envelopes are a great way to reference other 3D models, but they may not be desired in SOLIDWORKS Composer. With Composer 2019, envelopes can now be excluded when the SOLIDWORKS assembly is opened. With the expanded toolset and integration with best-in-class PDM and CAD, SOLIDWORKS Composer 2019 is the clear choice to leverage your CAD data to create top-quality technical illustrations and animations.